We are in what I would say is quality January weather right now. I stepped outside this afternoon and I felt myself curling my collar up around my neck.
Well, you like to pop your collar anyways.
Always.
But
Usually it's a polo.
It is funny when you get to the air mass we're not maybe quite there, but in the morning we are, where you can sense all weaknesses in your wardrobe. Like, like air coming up or down or, you know, or like for me, just right through my hair, I guess. Let's take a look outside. Temperatures in the 20s. What, Brian? 27 in Portland, you know? What can you do? 26 in Freiburg, 4 below Mount Washington. That's on the top, obviously, there. Current temperatures elsewhere, 25 in Bangor. So it's not particularly frigid right now, but it is going to be very cold tonight. And we've got largely clear skies through the first half of the night to achieve that. Remember, that allows temperatures to drop off more quickly when you don't have that insulating cloud cover in place. Hour by hour forecast dropping us into the below zero territory over northern Maine. There's actually a wind chill advisory there until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning because wind chills will be what they categorize as dangerously cold through tomorrow morning, early in the morning. And along the coast, we'll be sitting around 10 to 12 degrees for most of us. Tomorrow's a bit of a split state forecast as far as the sky cover. There'll be more clouds over the southern third of the state, more sun for the rest of the state throughout the day as the storm misses to our south. You see more clouds come in on Friday night, but that doesn't help us very much at all. We're very cold on Friday night, temperatures below zero in quite a few spots. And then I think Saturday is actually our coldest day as far as the surface temperature, but also the lack of sunshine. There's not a lot of sun here. This is 2 o'clock, and so that makes it feel a little bit worse, right? If you're sitting at 15, 16 degrees and you don't have the sun. That'll be Saturday. We do clear out for Sunday, and it's not particularly warm, but at least we've got sun involved there. So there's a storm missing to our south. Otherwise, it's a big ridge of high pressure and cold air draining down on the northeast side of that ridge. Next storm system is not until Tuesday night, Wednesday, and we'll talk more about that in a second. But if you look at just this cold lobe of air, that's what we're kind of feeding off for the next couple of days, including the weekend. You can see this cool air just dropping in, then it gets kicked out, and actually in the mid-range, relatively ridgy looking, which is a good thing. It's a warmer look for us overall. Overnight lows I've averaged a little bit, but let's say I'm kind of speaking to inland but not the mountains. Here our average is 12 actually for a low temperature in a place like Augusta, and our lows will be below that in the next few nights. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all cold, and then we jump back up here on Monday into the teens. So as far as our next storm, it comes in Tuesday night, Wednesday. Doesn't look like a huge deal. It's a warm front trying to wiggle into this cold air. Sometimes you can pick up, though, kind of a sneaky 2 to 4, 3 to 6 inches of snow on the north side of a warm front like that. So we'll keep an eye on it. We may end as sleet and rain showers. Either way, it's not a blockbuster, but it could be enough to impact things a bit there Wednesday morning. That's the next thing to look at. Until then, it's just about cold and then moderating temperatures after that. And this is also when you notice, you know, how leaky or not leaky your house is, right? The next couple of nights are some of the coldest temperatures we've had so far this season, but it doesn't last particularly long.
Yeah, it's not a terribly long stretch.
No, not for January.
Days. Right.
Yeah. And at least it's sunny too, so that'll
Yeah.
be good. Yeah.
Plus
All right.
two.
Thanks, Keith.